Meaning of fire starter.
Fire starter.
Fire starter.
Fire starter.
Fire starter. Fire starter is a term used to describe something or someone who ignites or initiates a situation or event, often with the intent to create chaos or disruption. The result of a fire starter's actions can vary widely, from a small spark that fizzles out quickly, to a full-blown inferno that causes massive damage and destruction. Whether intentional or accidental, the actions of a fire starter can have far-reaching consequences, and it is important to exercise caution and responsibility when dealing with potentially volatile situations.